Hi everyone, this is a sample of motivational talk. A good diet is on the things to listen to. Positive, yes, and negative, hope so. We need to hear both sides. And you decide what to listen and what to listen to, not to listen to. How much time to give to. So, napaka-importante that we know how to diet. Kung ano yung papakinggan natin, kung ano yung hindi natin papakinggan, kung ano yung makakatulong sa atin, sa hindi makakatulong sa atin. Napaka-importante pala kung ano yung pinapakinggan natin kasi ito yung susundin natin, ito yung gagawin natin sa buhay natin. And tayo bilang isang human being, we know how to diet, what to listen to, and ano yung gaano mo katagal yung spend time to listen to on that cycle of things, kung ano yung papakinggan mo. Napaka-importante na yung papakinggan mo is makakatulong sa buhay mo na ma-develop ka. Kaya we have to choose wisely what to listen to and how much time you spend to listen to on that thing. Kung yung papakinggan mo makakabuti sa'yo, makakabuild ng character mo, you spend more time on that. Pero kung yung papakinggan mo is makakasira sa'yo at makakasira sa ibang tao at hindi makakatulong sa'yo, I think you have to diet yourself on that specific thing. And napakaganda po nito na kailangan natin turuan yung sarili natin. Kailangan natin matuto kung ano yung papakinggan natin sa hindi natin papakinggan. Kasi kapag lahat papakinggan natin, kakainin nito yung oras natin, and sayang yung mga panahon na dapat in-spend natin sa bagay na ma-develop tayo, sa bagay na kung saan mananourish tayo, masusupplement nito yung nutrients na kailangan natin sa buhay natin. So, diet yourself what you listen to for you to know how much time you spend to on that thing. Kapag kayong pinapakinggan mo, tingin mo is talagang totally ma-develop ka, go on. Spend more time on that. Develop yourself. Thank you everyone, and hope this motivational talk you learn something on this. Simple things makes us little by little develop. Thank you and God bless.